2014 is 10 years ago, and I can't really wrap my head around it. It's been so long, but it feels like the time has flown by so quickly. And I've been around on YouTube for so many years, but I still see a lot of people making their videos as if it was 2014, and I can't really understand why. And I will be talking about some of the mistakes that you hopefully can not do in your videos and that can improve and grow your channel. And the first stuff is the intros. I've been talking about YouTube intros for a while, but you have two types of intros. You have the ones where people are starting off their video like, hello, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we are going to be talking about, and then they go on forever, and then they start to ask about likes and subscribers, and it just goes on for like 15-20 seconds before they actually start their content. So the first tip of the day is to start off your video right away, even with a question, or you can just say something that is related to the thumbnail. Because they have clicked the thumbnail and they have reading your title, they're more engaged into your video if you started right away. Don't start off a 5-minute rant about, oh, I was waking up this morning and I was taking a shower, and all of us. If it doesn't have anything with your video and if it doesn't belong in your video, then skip it. The second thing I see is people are doing those 5 to 10 seconds animation intros where they have the logo and it goes around, and it can work if you're Linus Tech Tips or if you're MKBHD, Marcus Brownlee. They have been around for so many years and they have quick and recognizable intros. But if you're a brand new channel, maybe don't have those intros. You can even see on Netflix, they have the option to skip the intro because people are simply not interested. They just want to move on with their show and they want to see your video and move on. The same thing you can see on TikTok when people are playing those games above and something like chopping fruits and stuff underneath, and then just talking and rambling. And that's because people have such a low attention span, and so don't have those like 5 to 15 seconds intros. Just go ahead and start your content right away. Okay, my second thing that I see people do that they have done since 2014, and this is especially if you're creating gaming videos, a lot of people have those numbers. They have Minecraft episode 5, Minecraft episode 6. First of all, YouTube are using your title to give your search results. So when you are titling your video Minecraft episode 5, no one will search Minecraft episode 5 on YouTube and find your video. It's simply too many videos on the platform in order for YouTube to show your video. But if you title your video something that is related to whatever happens in your Let's Play series, then it makes sense. The only way you can have like numbers and episode numbers and stuff like that is if you have a podcast or the number is important for some reason. If you are making a podcast, you can always just make a playlist. And the same thing happens with all of your videos. I strongly recommend that if you have more than 1 or 2 videos that are related, put them in a playlist. So the number can be a bit distracting if they're a new viewer on your channel and they are watching your videos and they feel like they are missing out if they are starting on number 56 and they don't want to start from the beginning. Maybe your older videos was a bit bad and you have been practicing for like 50, 70 videos. And so skip the numbers if you're able to. And here comes the last thing. People are still being super hyped up. They're talking like this. Welcome back to my video. We don't need that energy. If it's not in your personality, if you're not iShow speed, just be yourself. I've been trying to be myself for so many years. I have obviously done all of those mistakes in the past myself. I'm obviously a bit more energetic and tuned in because I don't want to talk like this and I don't want to. You want to look into the camera, you want to have a bit of energy, but you don't need to have all of those like super extra too much energy. You want to be yourself because the viewers are gonna expect that you are the person you tell your viewers you are, if that makes any sense. You want to show off your beautiful personality, no intros, be yourself, don't have the numbers in your thumbnail, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to subscribe, watch this video right here. Espion, peace out, bye bye. Subscribe, bye bye bye.